Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to start the Microsoft Word document file. So let's start it. At first, open your desktop. Now I want to click from the refresh your desktop. Now going to the type here to search bar option. Now search bar from the word option. Now click for the word. That's it. Then I show the now click with the chorus option. Then I show the blank document from this show that. Now click with the blank document. That's it. Now type from the any text. That's it. Then I show the open the Microsoft Word document file in desktop. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.